an energetic protocol to assist your body in holding its creative energy in the appropriate dimension. As you, soul rider, and your body evolve, you want to consciously, again, you're in like an accelerated evolutionary process. So we want to consciously invite the higher self of you, soul rider, and your body to bring all of your creative energy up into an appropriate dimension that matches your current level of consciousness, your passion, your wisdom, your mastery that you have evolved into. What often happens is we spiritually grow, evolve, and our creative energy doesn't always come with us. It stays in a lower vibrational dimension, and then we feel constricted, we feel tight, we feel heavy, we can't clean our fields, we don't feel vibrant, we don't feel motivated, we don't feel inspired. We might even have an idea and then be like, that's not a good idea, that's not going to work, because again, we're holding our creative energy in a dimension that we've outgrown. We're no longer holding our energy and awareness in that dimension. So you just want to keep thinking that as you evolve, you move into a more harmonic vibration inside yourself, and you keep bumping yourself up into higher dimensional layers. And we want to bring our creative energy into that appropriate higher dimensional layer that has this incredible expansiveness, this freedom, this vitality, this motivation, this divine timing. So we're going to bring in a protocol for that process. Taking a deep breath in, pulling your energy and awareness into your divine line. And we invite the higher self of you, soul rider, your body, and teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides, to reference all of your creative energy that you are still holding in dimensions that you have outgrown. It's like on lower floors. Just hold space, let go of the mind. Invite some energetic aspect of you to reference all of those other dimensions where you're holding your creative energy that feel tight, constricted, heavy, dull. And you might also be holding your creative energy on other people, trying to inspire them, trying to get them to do what you want them to do. And invite your higher self, body, deepest higher self, and teams to work with the energetic fields and the guides to gently spin your fields again in a clockwise direction, retrieving all of your creative fabric, bringing it up into a more appropriate dimension that currently matches your level of consciousness, your passion, your wisdom, your mastery that you hold deep in your core. Bringing your creative energy up, 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 into an appropriate dimension that feels so expansive, so free, so vibrant, clean and light and bright. Encourage your body, divine nature, spirit to use its higher self, its energetic fields, to bring all of its creative energy into appropriate harmonic dimensions, what feels totally expansive and free and light and bright. Invite your teams to do the same, your spiritual family to do the same, your guides and advisors to do the same. And the indicator that you've done it is like, it's like a relief and then a lightness, an expansiveness around you, holding creative energy in appropriate dimension that feels light, bright, expansive, and matches your current level of consciousness, your vibrational passion, wisdom, and mastery that you hold deep in your core. And then taking a deep breath in, balancing and stabilizing all of that creative energy in that harmonic dimension, balancing the electrical and the magnetic energy within the craniosacral fluid, expanding the magnetics, the roots, for a higher vibrational way of being. Because when you hold your creative energy in a harmonic dimension that matches where you are now, you increase your frequency, you clean your fields, you get fired up, you get inspired. And now taking a deep breath in, balancing and stabilizing, updating all of your grids, all your reference points, all ways in which you perceive. And as that piece integrates,